All right. Welcome, guys. Okay, welcome to Free Forex Basics. This is my new YouTube channel. Um, my name's Matt. I have been involved in Forex since 2017, going into 2018. I've only been serious about Forex since 2020. I took 2 to 3 years learning the basics about Forex and going through the whole rigmarole of trying to see how this whole thing works. Obviously, I got involved in Forex. I was looking at all these guys making all these millions and millions of dollars and thinking, oh, the high life and everything. But that's at first. And then I got to understand Forex better. I learned a hell of a lot in the last few years. I've been taking it seriously for since I would say a year and a half now. And anyway, that's just a little bit about me. I am freely available, freely contactable. I will be open and honest with you guys about everything. Anyway, this is my intro video to this YouTube channel. Um, and basically, it's very simple. This channel is why I'm creating this channel. I'm creating this channel because I want to show people and teach people about Forex from the beginning. And I'm not going to be trying to sell courses or teach mentorship or anything like that. So don't get me wrong, this is not about making money. I've just seen so many people lose so much money in this game because they just try to get in and just buy and sell, and they think that it's just this easy thing to be in. Anyway, so what I will be teaching you is basically every single thing that you need to know about Forex before you bother putting any money into any brokerage and risk losing it. All due to lack of knowledge and mistakes you might make in this journey. So basically, this will be the channel that you come to, and this will be the channel where you're going to see if Forex is for you. I'm going to teach you all the stuff you need to know pre to where you execute a trade, where you buy or you sell or you open a position or close a position or take your hard earned money and put it into an industry where 90% fail. So, in saying that, yes, I have notes in front of me. Um, like I say, I'm going to show you everything you need to know and where to go once you're ready to trade. Where to go once you're ready to trade, it'll come later on, and it'll be at your discretion who you choose. I'm more than happy to see the comments, reply to comments. I'll even make videos if there's enough requests on the comments. So all my content will be free. I will not be doing any type of mentor teaching that you need to pay for. This channel will help you to what we basically call in my country pay school fees. In other words, waste your money on certain mentors or courses or signals. Like everybody just jumps into the signals or robot trading or automatic trading or whatever they call it nowadays, which is something you'll learn about as we go along. And I know that what you will see in my descriptions below each video, it's basically a guide that for you to go to, that I have complete trust in the information you'll need for your trading journey. So basically in my information you'll see this website and that website and this brokerage and this information and these news sites and everything. Guys, those things that I'm putting there, it is not to say that that is what you need to go where you need to go. It's just I'm going to be open honest with you. This is what I use to trade, etc. But it's something that you're only going to need towards the end of 20 videos on, where maybe you're going to want to do it, maybe you're going to, maybe Forex isn't for you, and maybe with all the knowledge that I give you and I share with you, that maybe you do want to do Forex, and I can guide you that way, and guide you to where you need to go, so that you don't waste your time, etc. The information I'm going to give out is not to say that it's just stuff that no one taught me, that I had to learn over years of being in this game. So yeah, that's basically that side of things. You'll see it on each of my description. You're more than welcome to ask me questions about that. But for now, I think just take it easy, enjoy the videos, watch all of my videos, and you'll get the gist as we're going along. I promise you'll understand. So only when you're ready should you move forward with the links below on each video, but don't even stress about it, and I'll teach you. So guys, the first thing I need you guys to know, this is not a get rich quick industry. Anyone who says it is, they're lying. I can tell you now that Forex is something that when you become consistent and you start consistently winning, it's when you start enjoying trading, is when you start making money. So I would advise, if I could advise you guys of anything right now, is if you have Instagram or whatever it is, or Facebook or anything, guys, don't be fooled and roped into these people with these exotic cars and everything. Yes, they make money off trading, and they do this and they do that, but guys, you need to first see if this is for you before you try and be like one of these guys. So I just want to start off by saying that why 90% fail. It's because they rush the process. 90% of people fail in this industry because they rush the process. They just go in, they think they're going to take $1,000 and they're going to make millions, and that's it. They're going to go in, they're going to trade, they're going to execute, they're going to buy, they're going to sell, they're just going to carry on, and that's it. They're going to make millions very quickly. Well, it's not the case, and I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to show you why. So don't rush the process. Enjoy my videos, and let me know if there's anything else that you want to see or what you want to know about. But in the slides here coming up, I'm going to show you what I'm going to teach, and so on and so forth. So first thing is, I can tell you why they fail. Why 90% of people fail is rushing the process. They don't understand. They don't understand Forex. They have no risk management. They don't use stop losses. They move their stop loss. They don't know when to execute trade. They don't understand when there's volume in the market or when there isn't. They just see these gurus and think, right, I'm going to do this. Anyway, so that's pretty much an input. And yeah, so you're going to learn. You're going to learn, and you're going to take your time. You're going to watch all my videos. If you don't understand anything, we're going to go over it. I'm going to go over it with you guys. So you got nothing to lose by watching these videos. There's no money involved. It's just a little bit of your time. And hopefully you enjoy my videos. I'm going to try to reply to as many people as possible. My time zones are very different. So let's see. I'm going to assist where and when I can. This channel, again, like I say, it's going to help you decide if this trading is for you, and it's going to show you a clear vision forward. Okay, like I said, I will eventually take requests on video. Anything that's where I get requests over and over again, I will do a video on that. I will assist everywhere I can. Just remember, Forex and consistency takes time. The money will follow once you become repetitive, consistent, and you're great at risk management and follow a trading plan. All this will be explained in future videos. So what I'm going to do now is Yes, as you can see, I've got a logo. I just figured, yeah, I might as well do a logo for you guys. It's not a business, it's just for fun. So, free Forex basics. Guys, in my videos, now that I'm finished with this, let's just move that over there on my desk. Okay, so the videos to come, guys, is I'm going to show you the tools needed. So when I say the tools needed, the software, the where to go, the websites. The next thing I'm going to teach you is what is Forex, things to avoid, who trades the Forex market, what is traded in Forex, currencies and examples. I'm going to show you bull and bear trend. Bull meaning up, bear meaning down. Candlesticks and time frames. So sorry about that. Candlesticks and time frames. I'm going to show you price and movement. I'm going to teach you about pips. I'm going to teach you lot sizes. I'm going to teach you about spreads. I'm going to teach you about swaps, commissions, take profit, stop loss, entry longs meaning buys, entry shorts meaning sells. I'm going to teach you about order types. You've got order types 1, order types 2. It's going to be a 2-part video. I'm going to teach you about news and information, and NFP, non-farm payroll, one of the most important Fridays of every month, where if you're a newbie, you don't want to trade it, but that's to come. Don't worry about it. I'm going to teach you guys risk management, one of the most important things to master. Without risk management, guys, I promise you it's going to be a very bumpy road if you choose to go forward in Forex. I'm going to explain to you guys patience, so no FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. So in other words, let's say a trade moves violently and you just miss the trade and you figure, oh, it keeps going, and you figure, no, I'm going to get in now because otherwise I'm going to miss everything. And then you execute, but you've already executed too high and price moves against you, so your trade goes against you. Then you end up losing the trade and or blowing accounts or whatever the case may be. I'm going to teach you about patience and no FOMO. That's what no FOMO means, fear of missing out. Anyway, I'm going to teach you about TradingView. TradingView is a website that you go to. I'm sure most of you already know it, but for you newbies, I'm going to teach you about TradingView. I'm going to teach you about brokers. I'm going to explain what I've learned about brokers and who's who in the game. I'm going to teach you Financial Juice. So Financial Juice is a news website. I'll also give you another website to go to. I have no association with these websites, but I just found Financial Juice awesome because they have an audio button. So basically, when there's news, I have the audio on, and as news comes out, it actually reads it out to me. So I have my headphones on, it reads me out the news. So it's better than me clicking back and forth to the website, reading the news, etc., which is pretty cool. I found that very cool. MetaTrader 5. I use MetaTrader 5. I'm going to teach you about MetaTrader 5. It's the application, it's the actual software that you use to execute trades. People don't teach about these things, but I'm going to show you MetaTrader 5. I'm obviously going to show you on my demo, but you'll see on my laptop before I open my demo, you'll see my live account there as well next to the demo where you double click the icons. I have nothing to hide. I'm going to teach you about magic keys. Guys, magic keys. If it's something that's amazing, it's magic keys. But anyway, I'm not trying to sell you anything. It'll be at your discretion, but once I show you, it just makes trading a lot easier, a lot simpler, and it's amazing. Anyway, another thing I'm going to teach you guys is, or I'm going to show you an example of, is a trading plan. Guys, if you don't have a trading plan, you don't have rules to stick to. So I'm going to teach you guys about a trading plan, and you're going to look at things like that and stuff. So it's going to be very important. That will be coming up. Okay, so I know I've gone through a lot. I'm just going to go back a few steps. So just so you can see it on the screen, those are some of the videos. If you look down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Look, I think I've got about enough information for 50 videos that's going to teach you guys the absolute basics before you bother, whether you bother to need a mentor or a course. This is not going to be a course on Forex. This is going to be, this channel is going to teach you to make you make a decision at the end of this to say whether or not you want to go ahead with this. So these are just some of the things you'll learn here. Once you've learned all of this, you'll be one step closer to trading, and you will have far more knowledge than a lot of other people who just try open accounts and trade with no knowledge whatsoever because they too busy seeing other people make so much money they think they're just going to jump in and do the same. You need to make sure you're fully prepared for the markets so you don't become part of the 90% that fail in the industry. Guys, I'm telling you now, what you're going to learn here, it's not a secret. It's not something I conjured up. It's out there. It's on Google. Yes, you will be able to find all the information. But what I've done and what I'm doing and what I'm going to do on each video is I'm taking all this information and I'm going to put it on one channel for you guys to know. And once I'm finished all these videos, you're going to make a decision at the end of it. And you're going to be able to decide for yourself whether this is or is not for you. And I will guide you then thereafter to see where you want to go with this. But I will not sell you anything. I promise you now, do not stress. Anyway guys, that's my intro and I'm super excited. I have nothing to hide. You can see everything on my current setup here. This is my company laptop. I own my own business. I do have a full-time business where I have a business partner, and if you guys want to know anything about me, if you have any questions, I'm sure you guys are going to be like, who are you, why are you doing this? Guys, I can do another video. I can even go live with you guys and we can run through things. I'm even prepared to set up a Zoom and we'll post it on YouTube, whatever you guys need. But trust me when I tell you, you run through all of this with me, I will show you everything before you waste your money or throw your money away, because there's a reason that the market takes 90% of people's money. There's a reason. I'm going to try and show you guys how to not fall into the trap and be one of those 90%. I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and we'll move on and let's go see what other videos I can make for you guys.